Hi, in this video we are going to see Quixel Bridge and how to use it in Unreal Engine. So now in order to open the Quixel Bridge, we have to right click in the content browser and we have to click on this add Quixel content. So previously in Unreal Engine 4, there was no button for this Quixel. So normally we used to go to quixel.com and we used to download the assets. But now in Unreal Engine 5, they have added directly the Quixel content here. So in order to do that, we have to right click on this add Quixel content. So now the bridge software has been open here. So if you want, you can double click on this, you can maximize this. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to sign in here. So we have to click on this and we have to click on this sign in here, sign in. So we have to choose the account which has been linked with the Epic Games here. So at present, in my case, I will click on this, like I will sign in with the Google. So now I am logged into Bridge here. So what is this bridge is? It's a link between the Pixel and the Unreal Engine. So what we can do is we can directly click on any asset and we can click on this download and we can import into Unreal Engine. It's a very easy process to download all the assets, whatever you want, which is available in the Quixel Bridge. So here left side, you can see we can browse the 3D assets here. So if you click on this, you can see there are a lot of 3D assets. And also if you want to see this like 3D plans, we have like 3D plans. So some of them are dynamic too. So what is dynamic is, suppose if you paint these textures, grass or whatever, we will get the dynamic animations also. And there are some grass, so which we can use on the ground like surface. Whenever we create any terrain or something, we can paint all these grass textures on the terrain. So here we have like surfaces. These are all nothing but the textures. Like there are a lot of textures like brick, like stone textures, ground textures, grass textures. Sometimes if you don't want to use the grass because the grass will take a lot of system resources. So instead of that, we can use the grass textures too here. And also here we have like collections here. So suppose if we want to create some sort of environment, we can click on this environment. So we will have this assets here. So if you click on this natural, you can see we can download all this asset for free here. Suppose if you click any one of these, suppose if I select this coastal cliff, so if you click on this, so here you can see all the assets which has been used to create this level. We can create our own design by using all these assets. So down here you can see there are favorite options here. So what our favorite is, suppose if you are going to use any assets regularly or something, you can add it to favorite. So for example, suppose if I go to the home, like if I go to the plants or something, so when you click on this grass, so here you can see there is a like heart symbol. So if you click on this, now it will be added onto the favorite here. See, now it has been updated. Now if you click on this, so you can use this regularly, because every time whenever you want to use searching in this here, it will be very hard for us and it will take a long time. Suppose if there are any good assets in future, suppose if you want to use it, so you can add it to favorite, so it will be easy for us to use in the future projects. Suppose in case if you want to remove it from the favorite, so you can click on this heart again so that it will be removed. So down here you can see there is a local. So what is this thing is, whatever the assets you have downloaded from here, so all the things will be stored in the local here. So in which these things will be stored in your local hard drive. And also top here you can search for the asset. Suppose if you know any name of the particular asset or something, you can type the name here. Suppose if you type like stone, so you can see like, suppose if you click on the stone wall, so here I have searched for the stone and wall, so you will get all the assets which is related to the stone and wall. And suppose if you don't know the name of that assets, but if you know what it is belongs to, so see for every asset here you can see there are some tags here. Even you can search for the assets by using these tags here. Suppose if I type this building, still you can get this asset here. And down here you can see we can select the quality of the assets before downloading here. So suppose if you select this, you can download low quality and also we can download the highest quality. So it depends on your system and what kind of levels you're going to create. Suppose if your system configuration is good and you can select this highest quality, and suppose if you have any like low end system or something, we can select the medium and low quality. So according to your requirement, what type of level you are going to create, you can select the quality here. So for time being, defaultly I will put into medium. And after selecting the quality here, you can click on this download, means whatever the asset you select, and you can click on this download. So I will explain these options in the upcoming videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.